Who's ready for 2026? Woo! I'm going to mostly do some housekeeping notes here, and I want to thank you all for coming. It's been an incredible experience for me, and I've heard from so many people that they've made incredible, deep connections that they feel they will be expanding moving forward. So it's just really rewarding, and experiencing others experiencing is what I've been taking away. And as we have more people fill the room, want to mention that just a couple quick things. We want to keep, it was amazing yesterday. We have a very echoey room, but the sound in the middle of the room is amazing. Thanks to our sound engineers, constantly tuning it to the environment. So please try to keep personal conversations outside the area because it does echo. Also want to mention that we have an incredible exhibits downstairs. So on the second floor, in addition to having workshop area and roundtable area for different conversations, we have an incredible amount of art. We have demo stations, we have sponsors, and we have this incredible art piece, Chambers of Awe, that I invite everybody to check out. It's incredible. Really check out the nooks and crannies, because some of these things are hiding a little bit, and they're not to be missed installations by some incredible artists. So Chambers of Awe is downstairs. If you head to the south side of the building, which would be away from Pier 39, you go to the middle of the building. There's a nook in there that with concrete walls, and Chambers of Awe is in that space. And don't want anybody to miss it and hear afterwards that there was this incredible thing that they just never made it to. And then also down on the ground floor, Mikey, who you'll hear from, has an incredible installation down there. So please take your time to check out those things. I know there's a lot. We have 3 full stages up on the 3rd floor here. Obviously, this is first stage. For those who have been here already, you know the layout. On the other side of the building, we have stage 2 and we have stage 3. We've got food and coffee for people that want to purchase on that side of the building, and then we have lunch for those who purchase tickets that have that perk. And I don't want to spend more time. I'm not really sure how much time I have, but I want to invite us all to breathe. Plant our feet on the ground, relax our shoulders, breathe in, hold our breath, let it go. I have one offering. Invite you all to, on the next inhale in, feel where you're holding some tension in your body. On the exhale, notice it moving. And just spend a few breaths doing this. Breathe in. Feel the breath really expanding any place in your body that feels a little tight, that feels like it needs some shift. Exhale, let it go. It's not a pushing it out, pushing away. It's just letting it go and noticing where it wants to go. One more breath. We can also do this with our mind. Are there any thoughts, anything outside this space that we're worried about, concerned about, thoughts that have served us, thoughts that we may want to invite to move on so we can be more present to the day, to the people around us, to the awesome connections and experiences we'll be having today. So breathe in. Invite those thoughts that have served us, protected us. Exhale, relax, release them. Honor them for their gift and invite them to move on. Okay, this feels awesome. Thank you for allowing me to feel this with you. So have a great day, everybody. We've got lots of purple shirts around. Feel free to ask them questions. We'll have lunch at 1 p.m. If you have any questions, just ask a purple shirt, and have an awesome day. Thank you.